What's up there, YouTube? Chris Camel from Sake of Science. Today, it's after the new year. I finally am not working. Put a lot of time in here this last holiday to get a lot of stuff done. And now I just want to do something that's fun and hopefully entertaining. So what I'm going to do is the 3-hour round 1 Forged in Fire competition. So inside this little bucket, I've got a whole bunch of different first round challenges to try to accomplish with the equipment and stuff that I have. So 3 hours, let's see what I get. Let's see. Oh no, that's gonna be hard. I've never done a D guard. So between 10 and 14 inches, a Bowie with a D guard, and the Bowie must be made from spring steel. I have spring steel. That's not gonna be a problem. The D guard is going to be the problem because I've never done that. But I should have enough stuff out here to make it work. So, here we go. Crap. Alright, got my marker. I got the forge warming up because I know they do that in the show. I got everything set. I had to tie down my new handle. So, design window, 10 minutes. Let's go set the timer. This is low tech, by the way. Very low tech. Set it up to 10 minutes. And once it goes there, it's ready to go. 10-minute design period starts now. Here we go. At 11 inches of blade, half-inch ricasso, 3.5, 5, 3.5. All right. Through tang all the way through the handle, 5-inch handle. So that means I only need really 11 inch, but I'll make it 12 inches, so it's got some extra. Bend to 3.5, bend to 3.5, everything else should line up just fine. Shape up the handle however I can. Let's get to work. Oh, 6 minutes on, it says it's taken on the camera. See how much time is left on the clock. Yep, 4 minutes so you can see that it's real. That's right, okay. All right, here we go. It is 11:15 a.m. on January 2nd. That means I've got until 11, 12, 1, 2, 15. But we're going to set a 3-hour timer. My son's going to somewhat from time to time remind me. Timer on. Let's take it up to 3 hours. Three hours. Let's begin right now. Actually, you know what? I'm going to give it 1 minute so I can get out there and be good. 1 minute. 1 minute. 3 hours and 1 minute. Go. Here's my steel. That's the spring steel, old rusty, so it's like a junk shop here. Forge is getting hot. Ready to go. By the way, the whole forge shop has been cleaned up quite a bit. So for me, this is a very clean forge right now. Let's hop to it. 3-hour Forge and Fire challenge. What's up? Just put it back in the fire as you saw from the thing. I got 30 minutes in. Just gonna show you guys. Chop. It is 2:29. 31 minutes in. 2.5 hours to go. Wow, time is flying. But figured I'd get started on the guard, so I got the slot in the guard. Booyah. It's coming along. I just gotta make sure that the width is close to that, so it doesn't have any gaps or any major gaps. Got the fire in there. Here's the thing about this metal. I want the base of that Bowie to be between 1 3/4 and 2 inches. Pretty much the entire length of the blade, nice and straight with a nice sexy little curve up with that clip point coming down nice and sexy with a little curve to it. What I'm doing now is widening it and lengthening it and thinning it. Doing all that at the same time using the beat up press. It's coming along. 32 minutes in now. Got to take it out of the fire, straighten it, continue with my shaping, and let's get this thing moving. It's moving along nicely. Pretty happy.
You got 12.
2 hours. 12. All right, 60 minutes down. Hard at it. moving right along. Fire or some heat, metal in there to heat up my oil. I'm gonna shut down the forge because I'm ready to let this cool. It's gonna cool, and I'm gonna take it to the grinder and see how much time do I have left. How much time left? 1 hour 25 minutes, so it's coming along. I got time. I got time. All right, so check it out. Yes, it's rough, but it's forged really close to where I wanted. Got the tang in, ricasso blade from there. 11 inches. 11 inches. That's hot, by the way. Damn it. So, hour and 24 minutes. Please cool off faster. Let that cool off. Very nervous.
Have gone by.
1 hour left. Say 60 tiny little minutes.
60 minutes? No.
Yeah.
6 minutes and 11.
60 tiny little minutes.
Tiny time.
60 tiny little minutes. Thanks, Will. Thanks, Will. Like perfect timing. Finished up the grind. Ready to go into the fire, which I'm about to do, and I got 36 minutes to go. I think it's going to be just fine. No worries. All right, time to heat up the oil, get things done. Back to time lapse until we're ready for heat treat. Alright, I've managed to avoid most mistakes, or a lot of mistakes that people make with just parameters themselves. Double checked them at 11 inches. The parameters were between 10 and 14, so I got an 11-inch Bowie in there. Ricasso's looking good, plunge grinds are even. I got about 4,000, 5,000, probably 6,000. It's right along the edge, relatively even. The grind goes all the way up the spine, which is exactly what I wanted. It's in the heat treat now, tank first. Flip it around. I have thermal cycled twice. Make sure this heat is nice and even. I mean, super even. You start working it back and forth. Thermal cycled twice, so there should be not any issues. 3 times sort of, but definitely a full thermal cycle twice. Got the oil super piping hot. Well, 140 to 160, probably 140, because when you put your hand in it hurts. let's see. Looks pretty damn straight to me. Now let's listen. Oh yeah, baby. Gotta love 5160. All right. Good.
You got 15.
15 minutes to go. 15 minutes.
Smokes. Paul, your time is up.
Time is up. Bladesmith, put your tools down. Booyah. There it is.
Straight.
Picasso. Oop, start from the right side.
Yeah.
Right there at the Picasso. Make sure you can see that. All the way up to the tip is just under 11 inches. I'm right close. This is going to be, the second challenge is going to be easy, I think. We'll see what I end up getting. So booyah, huh? That's a pretty blade. That came from this. That's what it looked like just a short time ago. In 3 hours. Boom! I'm so stoked. So actually, this really proves to me that I can do it. Now granted, was it hard compared to what some of the things they do? No. But I added a ½ inch to the width. I had to thin it down to get to had to get to the right length. I hit all my parameters. It's a big blade, and I'm not used to working with big blades. I'm set up with the through tang for what I need to get. It's going to work out. It's going to come out nice, and right now it looks good. No cracks that I can see. I'm stoked. I can do this. I can do well in this. I had time left over just to make this blade nice and pretty to give the judges. That's not bad. That's ready for an edge almost. So there you have it. 3 hours. Hey, what's up? I just wanted to follow up everything. Finished up. I got it in the oven right now doing this tempering. Everything's getting done the way it needs to be done to be ready for tomorrow to do part 2, in which I do the handle 3-hour round 2 challenge. Round 1 went great. That knife came out better than I ever expected. I honestly didn't think it was going to come out that well. And as bad as it sounds, I actually impressed myself with being able to stay on it, multitask, and get ahead of the game. So tomorrow, D-guard, handle, get it tight, sharp, and then testing. So it's going to be awesome. Peace. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate everybody who joins me on this journey. It's so much fun doing this this kind of work, and exploring science and having a good time with it. Thanks for watching. Click to subscribe.